So if you want more than that, I'll give you more than that also. Right. So the first one, celebrate something with great pomp and show. Right? Celebrate something with great pomp and show. कोई पर्व धूमधाम से मानना. कोई पर्व धूमधाम से मानना. Right? So can you give me one example for this? कोई पर्व धूमधाम से मानना. कोई पर्व, whatever it may be. So whatever the celebration, you don't need to bother about that.
Celebrate something, na?
Yeah, celebrate something. So you can mention any event.
Yeah.
It might be your marriage day. It might be your actually your marriage, or it might be your children's marriage. Anything.
Celebrate Guruji's birthday on 13th May with great
pomp and show.
Pomp and show.
Yes.
Pomp and show.
So celebrating Guruji's birthday. I don't remember the date.
On 13th May.
On
13th May.
Okay. So celebrating Guruji's birthday on 13th of May with great pomp and show. Like that.
Yeah.
Right. So insult somebody or humiliate somebody. Right? Insult somebody or humiliate somebody. किसी की बेइज्जती करना, किसी की बेइज्जती करना. Right? किसी की बेइज्जती करना. Insult somebody or humiliate somebody. So don't insult anybody or never insult anybody. Don't humiliate anybody or never humiliate anybody. Right? So the first one, somebody. The second one, anybody. Maybe is nothing but anybody. Next one. Think about. Next. Think about the pros and cons of something. Think about the pros and cons of something. So I think yesterday, Vashta ma'am asked about this one, right? Pros and cons. Right?
How?
So think about pros and cons of something. So अच्छे बुरे परिणाम सोच लेना. Right? So अच्छे बुरे परिणाम सोच लेना. Okay.
You didn't tell me one word that accept the people अच्छे और बुरे गुणों के साथ flaws and flaws. You said something like that.
Yeah, pros and cons means nothing. It's nothing but so positive and negative.
But you didn't post in our group, sir.
Okay, I might forgot that.
हाँ, sir.
Right. So pros and cons. The pros and cons you can use for any situation, like if you want to talk about a particular thing, the good and bad, positive and negative. So in that case, we can use pros and cons, right?
Spelling, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Vasna ma'am.
Spelling.
Here you can see pros, P-R-O-S, and cons, C-N-O-S, C-O-N-S. P-R-O-S.
Pardon?
P-R-O-S. P-R-O-S.
P-R-O-S.
Huh. So pros. So just look at the screen. Third example, you will be able to identify that. Think about the pros and cons of something. Pros, P-R-O-S. Cons, C-O-N-S. Pros and cons of something.
Okay.
Right? So अच्छे बुरे परिणाम सोच लेना. Right? So you never think about pros and cons of same person. Right? So good and bad, these are the two sides of same coin. So we should treat pros and cons of life alike. Right? We should think about the pros and cons of life as same or similar with no difference. Right?
Pramod ji,
Yes, ji.
when we in specially organization think about our responsibility, think about the pros and cons of something.
Yes. So when we come from, or when we representatives of any company or any organization, we should think about pros and cons of something. Pros and cons of
We
that
should-
organization. Yes.
We
That's
should
correct.
think.
Yes, we should think.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So we can give n number of examples. Right. So face the music or face the consequences. So face the music is nothing but face the consequences. Right. So अपने बुरे कर्मों के नतीजे और परिणाम भुगतना. Right. So face the music or face the consequences. So if you do good, you can face the consequences. If you do bad, you face the consequences, right? So if you don't work hard, you need to face the consequences. So like that, you can give any number of examples. For example, if you don't do good in a sense, automatically if you do bad, you need to face the consequences. If you violate the lockdown rules, you need to face the consequences, right? Like that, you can give any number of examples.
Elder says always to their children, please listen me, otherwise ready to face the consequences.
Right. So parents suggest the children to listen to them. If they don't listen, they need to face the consequences. Yes, correct. Right. So now, make something public or publicize something. Make something public in a sense. So publicly speaking, right, without any secrecy, without maintaining any secrecy. So make something public. Okay. किसी चीज को डिंडोरा पीटना, right? So डिंडोरा पीटना, right? किसी चीज को डिंडोरा पीटना. Make something public or publicize something. Okay. So whatever the things you are doing, try to make something, make it public, right? So in a friendship or in any relationship, it should be public. There should not be any secrecy between the partners, all right? And if you want to condemn your friend, make it in secrecy. And if you want to praise your friend, make it in public, right? If you want to warn your friend, you have to do it in a secrecy. And if you want to praise your friend or your partner, make it public, right?
Which
So,
word you have used? Condemn.
Yeah, condemn. So if you want to condemn, it should be done in a secrecy, because he is your friend.
Okay.
He or she your friend. So if you want
Okay.
to praise them, so I'm giving a different shade
Yes, sir.
for pros
Yes,
and cons.
yes.
So if you are talking
Yes.
about the cons, it should be done in the secrecy. If you want to talk about the positives, or if you want to praise them, then it should be done in the public. By then, they don't misunderstand us. Next, pick a quarrel with somebody or mess with somebody. So pick a quarrel is nothing but fighting. So quarreling, arguing unnecessarily. Alright? So किसी से पंगा लेना और झगड़ा मोल लेना, right? So pick up a quarrel with somebody or mess with somebody. Never pick up a quarrel with anybody without any reason. Don't mess up with your friends. Give somebody.
Otherwise आपको महंगा पड़ेगा, ऐसा कैसे बोलना है इंग्लिश में?
Sorry.
Don't pick up a quarrel with me, otherwise वो आपको बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा. इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलना है?
Right. So don't quarrel. Yeah.
Sir, unable to hear you.
Yes, tell me, ma'am, what's your doubt?
The sentence is don't pick a quarrel with me, otherwise आपको बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा. ये महंगा पड़ेगा कैसे बोलना है इंग्लिश में पूरा सेंटेंस?
Right. So don't pick up a quarrel with me unless go through their circumstances. So their circumstances nothing but bad situations. So if you quarrel with me unnecessarily, definitely you will face a lot of troubles.
Okay.
Right. So give somebody one's word. Give somebody
Sir,
one's word. Yes.
हिंदी में ज्यादा इफेक्टिव लग रहा है लेकिन.
मराठी में उससे भी ज्यादा लगता है.
बोलो ना सर, कैसा होगा?
So
tell me sir, Ramesh Dada, tell me.
Right. So we are using a translation method. That's why automatically we feel a little bit, we can use our mother tongue, right? So these are the expressions we can use for all situations, and these are all daily. So these are all situation dialogues for our daily routine. So in our day-to-day conversations, most probably we use all these things, right? So give somebody one's word. किसी से वादा करना. किसी से वादा करना. Give somebody one's word. Okay. So never give somebody one's word. Never give a word to somebody. Okay. Or lend your word behalf of others. Give somebody one's word in a sense you can help others. Just lend your word. So we are helping with, or in the form of giving. What do we call that? For example, if you want to give some assurance behalf of your friend. So Gopalji has been trying to join, but I don't understand what's happening to him. He's not able to join. Yeah, Gopalji, are you there? Finally, he is joining. Yes, just not joined. Right. So the next one. Stick to one's word. Stick to one's word. Stick to one's word in the sense. So you have to keep up your words. You have to keep up your words, or you have to keep your words. Stick to one's words. So whatever the promise you have made, you have to, the words should be kept. So whatever the promises you are doing, it should be done. Right? So stick to one's word. अपनी बात पर कायम रखना. Right? अपनी बात पर कायम रखना. So stick to one's word. If you give any word to anyone, you have to stick to your words. You should not take back your words. Right? So you can give any examples from mythology also. Like, Sri Ram. Okay. So Sri Ram, if he gives any word to anyone, he always try to stick to his words. Right? So he has given the word to his stepmother. That's why he went to the forest. Like that. Keep one's word. Apna vada nibana. Apna vada nibana. Right? Keep one's word. So whatever the word you are giving, you should keep it up. So both are same. Stick to one's word or keep one's word. So if we have given any promise to anyone, you are the responsible for the person to keep that word, right? So for example, if you have given any promise to your friend that you are going to visit him or that you are going to help them, So if you are given the promise in a sense, you should keep the word. You should keep your promise. Next, go back on one's word. Go back on one's word. Going back on one's word is a bad attitude. Go back on one's word. It shows your cunning attitude like that. We can give any type of example. So अपने वादे और अपने बातें से मुखर जाना, right? So we should never go back on one's word, or we should never go back on our own words. Next, accuse somebody of something. Accuse somebody of something. किसी पर किसी चीज को इल्जाम लगाना, right? So किसी पर किसी चीज को इल्जाम लगाना, right? So accuse somebody of something. Accuse somebody of something, right? So never accuse anybody of something, or never accuse anyone over their mistakes. Never accuse anyone for their faults, right? So we should never accuse others for any reason. Like that, we can give any example. So ask somebody to do something. Ask somebody to do something. So किसी को कुछ करने के लिए कहना, right? So किसी को कुछ करने के लिए कहना, right? Ask somebody to do something. Ask somebody to do something, right? So if you are in need, you can ask somebody to do help, or if you are in need, you can ask somebody to help. Okay, so don't ask anybody to do something for you. Never ask help. Never ask somebody to do help you, like that. So positive and negative we can give both. So if you want to give positive, ask somebody to do something, right? Ask your friend or ask someone to do help. If you want to convey it in the negative, never ask somebody to do help, like that, right? So blow the things out of proportion or exaggerate the things. So exaggerate the things in the sense, the situation might have this much of size, but what we do is we will add a lot of stuff and we will exaggerate the situation, right? So blow the things out of proportion or exaggerate the things. So bottom ko bada chada kar prastut karna or kahana, right? So we should never blow the things out of proportion, or we should never exaggerate the things, right? So some people had a habit of exaggerating the things, even though small things happen, like that.
Yes, sir. While hearing, we get suffocated.
So any example
Really?
you have, ma'am?
Sir, I don't remember now, but some peoples are so habitual of this character, blow the things out of proportion, and when we hear, we get really suffocated, sir.
True. Right. So whisper in somebody's ears. Whisper in somebody's ears. So किसी को कानों में पुष्पुषाना, right? किसी को कानों में पुष्पुषाना, right? So it should not audible to the next one. I mean, so whisper somebody's ear in the sense, speak in the ears. We should not reveal the secret to anybody, but we should speak to our friend. So for example, if you want to talk to Gopalji, we have to talk to him in his ears, but it should not audible to the next person, like that, maintaining secrecy. So whisper in somebody's ears. Okay, so you can conduct a small activity on this whisper in somebody's ears. So what you can do is there is an activity called Chinese whispers, right? In that activity, you can pick up minimum 10-15 participants. Yeah, 10-15 participants. You just tell them to stand in a line and just give them one statement to the last person and to the first person. They should speak in their ears, but they should not speak aloud. They have to speak in the ears, right? If you give the statement to the last person, they have to transfer from one to another. Like that, from the last person to, it should reach the first person, right? So if they are able to maintain the same sentence, the team will be the winner. So most probably 99% you can find all failed.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a fun activity you can conduct for your trainings also. But you can conduct this
Yes.
activity in your YLTP training and some youth empowering programs like that. You can do it. But in online, we can't be able to conduct that activity. Right. So next, mumble or grumble. Mumble or grumble. Right. So budh budana or bad badana. Right. Budh budana or bad badana. So mumble or grumble. Okay. So we should never mumble or grumble. Right. We should never mumble or grumble. So mumbling or grumbling is a bad attitude. Right, next one. Murmur. What's that? Murmur. Pronounce it.
Murmur.
Right. So murmur. So or silent here. So murmur. धीरे से बोलना. धीरे से बोलना. Right. So murmur. Don't murmur in the classroom. Don't murmur. Speak louder. Speak loud. Don't murmur. Speak loud. Right? So next one. Weep bitterly. Weep bitterly. Food ka rona. Food ka rona. Weep bitterly. If you weep bitterly, automatically you feel sick. Don't weep bitterly for small things. Right? Shed crocodile tears. Shed crocodile tears. Jute or Gadiali Amsu Bahana. Jute or Gadiali Amsu Bahana. Right? Shed crocodile tears. Don't believe the people who are shedding crocodile tears. Don't believe the people who always shed tears. Right? Next, steal something. Steal something. कोई चीज चुराना. कोई चीज चुराना. Steal something. Right? So stealing of others' thing is a bad habit, or stealing of others' things is a bad attitude. Right? Stealing of others' things is a bad attitude. Or if you steal something, definitely you will be punished. Simply, right? So if you steal something, you will be punished. Right. So miss somebody a lot, or miss somebody like anything. Right. So most of in our day-to-day conversation we use this. Miss somebody a lot, right? So I miss you a lot, or I miss you like anything. Like that we can give. Right? So in the place of somebody, you can use any pronoun. Right? So किसी की बहुत याद आना. किसी ही बहुत याद आना. Right? So in the lockdown time, we are all missing our friends. Right? So in the lockdown period, we are all missing our colleagues. In the lockdown period, we are all missing our neighbors. Because we are not able to go and meet them all. Right?
In lockdown period, we miss a samosa.
Right, right. So,
Really.
yes, it's true. So, a lot of things we are missing now. So, if we talk like
We
this,
we
almost
can
everyone will.
we can
Yes.
we can make at home samosa.
Sir, hotel wala samosa. Arey. Sir,
Yes.
but one thing is that in lockdown period, many things we are missing, and lockdown period increases the value of that missing things and persons.
Correct.
Yes.
True. That's what we discussed yesterday. So whatever the things there with you, we don't value them. Once they gone out
Yes,
of our hands, we bother about them a lot. So,
sir. At night, I shared this story that that story you told yesterday, na. I
yes, yes.
shared with my friend,
Okay. One of my friends.
one of my friends. Huh.
Yes.
One of my
Yes. So what is their response, ma'am?
Sir, very nice. They feel very nice, really, because moral that story include moral. Na?
Yes, yes.
That's why.
Right, great, great. So you all
And
can share these kind of examples every day. I've been observing one or two members are giving the examples every day. I don't understand. Do they only attending the classes or all the people are attending the classes every day?
Yes, sir.
If all the people are attending every day, at least I
Yes.
should get minimum 5 examples every day, correct? Because there are 5
everyone
members.
have to contribute.
And I pick up your that sentence, punch sentence.
Right. So, see, so then the next one, when somebody is hot, किसी का दिल जीतना, right? So you can give a number of examples, all your young age stories, right? So when somebody is hot,
Yeah.
Yes, Ji, now if you have given the opportunity to win somebody's heart, so whose heart it will be?
Guruji win my heart.
So you want to win your own heart. Wow, great. So it's not listening to you. All right. So win somebody's heart. So kisi ka dil jeetna. So I would like to win my father's heart, my mother's heart, my wife's heart, my husband's heart, like that. We can give any example, right? So before marriage, we might have n number of examples, but after marriage, we'll have only one option, correct? Right. So bury the hatchet.
Sir, but I don't think so, sir.
Right.
They really, sir, in wide vision, if we think,
Yes.
we
True.
can win our friend's heart. So many relations are in our life.
Exactly. Even
I
we need to win our
Yes.
clients' hearts. We need to win our
Yes, sir.
customers' heart. Then only we can do our
Yes,
business
sir.
properly.
Yes.
Right?
By our good behavior, we can win many's heart, sir.
Yes, exactly. We can win n number of hearts. So there is no
Yes.
limit. There is no boundary for that. Right. So bury the hatchet. So पुराने झगड़े, विवादम और बातों को बुलाना. Right? So पुराने झगड़े और विवादों और बातों को बुलाना. Bury the hatchet. It's already completed. But most of the people, they might have the tendency to dig the same problem. It's already completed. They try to dig the same problem, right? So we should bury that,
Sir, up to their death.
right? So
They
we should
never
bury
forget.
that problem. Yes, right? So we should bury the hatchet, and we should forget, forgive, and continue. So if you increase, if you have this attitude, automatically the life will become easy, right? So bury the hatchet and forgive and forgive, and then you can continue on your own journey, right? Next.
Sir, I saw especially the traditional in traditional families, the family members never bury the hatchet.
Right.
Yes, sir. Real
Yes,
in
it's true.
villages, I
You
saw
know,
this
yes,
type of families.
yes. No problem. There is unnecessarily they used to sit together and they used to discuss the same concept. Because of you only this problem happened. Because of you, like that, right? Everyone tried to point at only one person. So what happens?
Putting index
Automatically they
finger
can
to
create yes, they'll create
yes,
that
sir.
kind of negativity all the people on all the people, right? So dig up the dead issues. Dig up the dead issues. The similar way, right? So Gade Murdem Ukadna, right? So Gade Murdem Ukadna. So we should never dig up the dead issues. It's already completed, right? So if you talk about the old past, the past issues, it never makes any difference, correct? It never makes any difference because it's already completed, right? So we should forget and forgive because it's already completed action.
Yeah.
Right? Dig one's own grave. Dig one's own grave. अपने पैरों पर खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मारना. अपने पैरों पर खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मारना. Right? So dig one's own grave.
वो कुल्हाड़ी पैर पर लगने के बाद पता चलता है कि वो मार ली.
Right. So we should never dig one's own grave, right? So some people unknowingly they try to dig one's own grave, right? So in their perception, what they are doing is they are trying to dig under others' grave. They are digging others' grave, but unfortunately they are digging themselves, right? So for for small reasons, right? So for small reasons, if we get angry unnecessarily, what will happen? So it will reflect on us only. So if you feel so emotional, it reflects on us only. So whatever the excessive, aggressive feelings, strong feelings, they are directly affect our own body, our own attitude, our own brain, our own internal organs, right? So if you feel, if you get unnecessarily angry, if you get angry unnecessarily, it doesn't mean that you are digging your own grave. Like you can give any number of examples for this, right? So
Pramodji,
yes, Ji.
when we are aware, don't dig one's own grave.
Yes.
Yeah, properly sentence.
When
we aware.
Yes, when we
aware in life, in my life, in our life, don't dig one's own grave.
Right. So when we aware of our life, or when we aware of ourselves, we will never try to dig our own grave. We will never try to dig our own grave like that.
Never.
We will never dig our own grave.
Okay.
When we are aware of our life, we will never dig our own grave.
Yeah.
Right. So escape something or shun something or evade something. Right. So we discussed this: escape, shun, or evade. Correct. So किसी चीज से बचाना, किसी चीज से बचाना, right? So escape something, or shun something, or evade something. So in this lockdown period, most of the migrant laborers, they are trying to escape from the place wherever they are stuck, right? They are trying to escape from this place to their hometown.
Yeah.
Next, curtail one's expenses. Curtail one's expenses. अपने खर्चों पर लगाम, अपने खर्चों पर लगाम और रोक लगाना, right? So curtail one's expenses. Try to control your expenses. Try to limit yourself. Try to limit your expenses, right? So this lockdown, I think this lockdown.
In lockdown,
yes, this lockdown taught us.
Same idea,
Yes.
same thought, mine.
Yes, great ma'am, right? So in this lockdown time, most of the people learned how to curtail one's expenses, right? How to save one's expenses, how to control their expenses, because income is almost stopped, right? So whatever the money with your, in your hands, either it is in the form of liquid cash or in the bank. Yes, ma'am.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, demonetization teach us how to maintain our expenses, curtail our expenses.
So yes. So demonetization is already past event. So it taught, right? Demonetization taught us, right? So demonetization taught us how to curtail one's expenses. True. Right. So these are the huge economic drawbacks, huge economic problems occurred in our India, right? That demonetization, and then again this corona, right? So because of all these things, our economy almost it's gone back. Now.
Yes.
Now.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Lockdown teaches us many things, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially in family, we learn in little जैसे कुछ कम है घर में तो फिर भी फैमिली हम लोग चला रहे हैं, मतलब ये सिखाया है.
Yes, right. So we learned so many things, like how to stay with family members and how to stay with all the people together without going out of the house for a longer period. Without going out of the house is a huge problem, right? We never imagined, even we never dreamt of that, right? But we all practically we have done that, right? So almost we all stayed at home, and we all showed great vision. Great qualities that Indian people have, that we all won, right? So when Narendra Modi ji asked for this lighting the candles or clapping for this Corona warriors, like for each and every situation, we all have given our own best. Most of the people have given their best, right? And we all learned, when I visited the hospital last week, I found, mostly before this lockdown, if we go to any hospital, n number of patients would be there in the hospital. Nearly thousands of people there were in the hospital. But now after this lockdown, I don't understand where all these patients gone, where all these diseases gone, right? So now we can easily understand that, actually, of course, there are some diseases, but, before the corona and after the corona, we all understood how strong we are and how can we able to manage ourselves without depending on any other hospitals and all, right? So in this lockdown period, most of the people survived without meeting any doctor, without consulting for medicine, without running hospitals every now and then. Right? Yeah. So at least by now they should realize whether is it really necessary to go to the hospital every now and then, right? So there are a lot of things, even household chores also. We the people all learned to share with the family members. So if there are a few works, So all the people, there is no difference, the gents and ladies. So all the people, this total learning how to share the word. And most of the people, they learned how to live with the zero expectations, right? So a lot of
Yeah.
things we learned from this lockdown. It's a great opportunity, I think. Right.
Yeah.
Next.
Pramodji,
Yes, Ji.
Pramodji,
Yes, Ji.
here equal sentence in Marathi language. अंथरूण पाहून पाय पसरणे.
So you people please
Yes, sir.
translate it to Hindi or English. Because I don't know Marathi.
Yeah.
I know little bit Hindi, but I don't know Marathi.
चद्दर पे देख के पैर पसारना.
Right.
पैर फैलाना.
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
Right. Next. Play the spoil sport. Play the spoil sport or mar the pleasure. Right? Rang mein bang dalna. Rang mein bang dalna. Play the spoil sport. Right? So we should never play the spoil sport. Right? If you play the spoil sport, automatically you need to suffer. You're not going to feel happy for that. Right? So the next one. Pick holes in somebody or something, or find faults with somebody or something, right? Pick holes or find faults. Okay, so किसी व्यक्ति और चीज में खामियां निकालना, right? किसी व्यक्ति और चीज में खामियां निकालना. So never pick holes in somebody, never find faults in others. Finding faults in others is a bad attitude. Always finding faults in others spoils our relationships. Right.
Always.
Yes, always. Right. Tolerate somebody or something, bear somebody or something. Right? Tolerate or bear, both are same. Right? किसी व्यक्ति और स्थिति को जोलना या
हिलना.
बर्दाश्त, yes. जलना या बर्दाश्त करना, right? So बर्दाश्त करना. So किसी व्यक्ति और किसी स्थिति को जलना या बर्दाश्त करना. Tolerate somebody or something, or bear somebody or something, right? So we should tolerate others. If you tolerate more, then automatically you can improve your patience. The more you tolerate, the more you improve your patience, right? The more you tolerate, the more you can earn good friends. The more you bear with your friends, you can increase your friends. If you tolerate your family members' mistakes, automatically your relationship will be good.
But at what extent, sir?
Yes. It varies to person
Valid
to person,
point.
ma'am. We can't judge that.
Valid,
It varies to person.
valid point.
So it varies to person, so we can't judge that. So for how much extent, so personally we should decide for how much we should bear them.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So put up with somebody or something, stand somebody or something, right? किसी व्यक्ति और स्थिति को जलना या बर्दाश्त करना. So put up with somebody or something, stand up with somebody or something, same, right? Similar example, right? Gopal ji, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Gopal ji, give me one example for this.
Gopal ji, in the course point,
Yeah, put up
course knowledge point.
Sir, started screen.
Yeah, So the last one, put up with somebody or something, or stand somebody or something. So किसी व्यक्ति और स्थिति को जलना या बर्दाश्त करना.
Gopal Bhaiya, this is a related to knowledge point in our course.
Oh,
Accept the people and
knowledge
situation.
point in our course. Oh.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So put up with somebody or something, right? So we should never put up with somebody unnecessarily, right?
sir.
Yes, ma'am. For some extent, we can put up with somebody, or we can stand by somebody, right?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
we should first we accept that people that he is like that, and then we should put up with somebody up to that extent. We should maintain our peace of mind.
Yes. So simply, can we say that
You tell me.
accept
You
the
tell
people
me
as they
in
are,
good sentence.
correct?
Accept people.
As they are. Accept the people and situation as they are.
Don't stand somebody.
Yes. No. Accept the people, but don't stand if they are really worthy.
Yeah.
If they are not good, we don't need to stand by them, correct? For example, if they are cheaters, continuously they are trying to cheat us. So stand by with cheaters it's like foolishness. We should not stand. I mean, some extent we can help them, we can believe them, but if they keep on trying to cheat us, we should not stand by them. Then we will become fools. Right.